Hello everyone. As the CAT exam is around the corner, I would like to share a couple of pointers from my past experience of giving CAT. First thing I would like to share is that you should practice your strategies for each of the sections and give a couple of mock tests at least with those strategies. I would not recommend to give you more than 2 mock tests in your last week. Even make sure that you don't put much pressure on yourself on Saturday. Be calm on Saturday and maintain the same cool and calm mind on Sunday itself. You have already put in hard work while preparing for CAT. It will all go well. Just be calm and get the exam. All the best.
Hello everyone, myself Rahul, and I will be giving some last minute tips on the CAT exam. The first and the foremost thing we should all be doing is the revision of all the concepts which we have learned, all the formulas and all the concepts which we have learned in the quant, all the different types of LRDI puzzles, and the concepts in VRC as well. Revise them very well. The second thing which I will be recommending is to take 2-3 mocks at the same time slot which is allotted for the CAT exam. It will make you more habitual and concentrate better on the exam day. The third and the most important thing which I will be recommending is to keep calm and keep the patience during the CAT exam, and also try to keep yourself calm during mocks as well. Everything at the end helps. Keeping calmness is the half battle won in the CAT exam, as it is quite important. All the hard work which you have done is also important, and keeping patience during a tough set is also quite important. Thank you.
Be confident about your preparation and don't stress about the topics that you're not really sure about, and try to attempt the exam with a cool mind, and don't go for attempting higher number of questions, rather go for the attempting less questions with higher accuracy.
Hello everyone. In these last remaining days, the most important part is analysis. Analyze yourself, observe your mistakes, your strengths, your weak areas, everything about you, and then create your own strategy. Try to implement these strategy in the mocks, give more and more mocks. Finally, devote more time in analysis of these mocks, and also revision is also a very crucial part, so don't forget it. All the best.